Here are some interesting animal facts that will blow your mind. Number 1. Giraffe. Tongue. Giraffe's tongue is about 18-20 inches long and is blue-black to protect it from sunburn while feeding on leaves. Number 2. Penguin proposals. Some penguin species propose to their mates by giving them a pebble. If the female accepts, they use it to build their nest together. Number 3. Sloth metabolism. Sloths have an extremely slow metabolism and can take up to a month to digest a single meal. They also only poop once a week.